Hello, first grade students. This is me, Mr. Lucero, and we are going to continue with a new unit. Unit number 8 Adventure. Well, class, in this unit we're going to do some activities like grammar, vocabulary, reading activity, listening, and remember, each class we're going to have a product. So be careful because this product show me that you understand the class and you are in class. Okay? If if you don't do the product, it means that you won't get a grade. So you get C. So the idea is to participate in class and try to do your best. Well, let's start. In this part we have the title Adventure and we are on page 122 and 123. Now, this is my first question. What can you see? Well, I can see people, no? Where are the people in the park? No, in the mountains, no? Like, for example, the Everest, or for example, Huascarán, no? Could be a possibility. Okay, and they're practicing sport, no? Adventure sports. Perfect. Now, let's see. Let's continue on page 124. On page 124, we are going to start with a vocabulary. Yeah, vocabulary number 1, survival skills. And here I have picture number 1, picture number 2, picture number 3, and picture number 4. Let's see. Don't check the vocabulary yet. Okay, don't check the vocabulary yet. First, let's guess. What can you see on picture number 1? A girl? Perfect. A girl looking at some plants? Yeah. In number 2? Wow. Climbing. Very good. A man or a boy climbing. In number 3? Yeah, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls. What are doing the boys and girls? They are eating marshmallows. Yeah, on a fire. Excellent. And what about number 4? They are camping. Yes, there are 2 boys and 2 girls camping. Okay, listen. The vocabulary for this activity is about survival skills. What does it mean, survival skills? Is to survive, no? In the forest, for example, no? To live without electricity, to live without tablet, computer, cell phone, etc. No? In the nature, natural. Okay, let's see. Number 1. Match picture 1 to 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I suppose number 5 is here. Yeah, this is number 5. Okay, match pictures 1 to 5 with the words in the box. Those words, okay, those ones. Cross out the 4 adjectives that aren't in the picture. Activities. No, cross out the 4 activities that aren't in the picture. So they don't show us here, okay? For example, first of all, we're going to practice and then we did this activity. Pay attention.
Unit 8 Adventure Track 78 Activity 2
Build, camp, chop, climb, cook, find, fish, hike, look for.
Okay, boys and girls, this has been our vocabulary. I'm going to repeat. Build, camp, chop, climb, cook, find, fish, hike, look for. Okay, let's see. The idea is to cross out the four activities that aren't in the pictures. For example, what is number one? Yeah, number one is look for. So look for cross out? No, because it's in the picture. The activity is in the picture. Number two. Number two is climb. Okay, it's here. No, number two is here. Climb. Cross out? No. Okay, no cross out. What is cross out, teacher? X. Okay, don't cross out. Number three. Eating. Well, build, camp, chop, cook, find, fish, hike, look for. Could be cook, no? It's a possibility cook. Okay, cook. Number four. Oh, it's very easy. Camp. Yeah, camp. Number five. What is number five? Walk. They're walking. No. When you're in the mountains or you do like an adventure, is hike. This one, hike. So number one, look for. Number two, climb. Number three, cook. Number four, camp. And number five, hike. So let's cross out. Build. Build is not here. Fish. Chop. And find. Okay. Cross out. Lo tachamos. Yeah, perfect. Now let's see. What is build? Okay, build is a verb and means construir. Climb could be trepar or escalar. Fish, pescar. Remember, those are verbs. Camp, campamento. Cook, cocinar. Hike, caminar, but for adventure, okay? Chop, cortar, picar. Find, encontrar. And look for, no, observar o buscar algo. Yeah. Okay. Now let's continue. Number three. Underline the correct word to complete the ad. What is ad? It's like a aviso. Okay, the advertisement. Can you survive in the wild? Learn how to on one of our fantastic courses. A. Hike or look for in the mountains during the day and night. Hike, very good. No, letter A is hike. Hike in the mountains during the day and night. Okay, let's continue. Sleep or find outdoor under the stars. Sleep outdoors. Teacher, what's the meaning of outdoor? Al aire libre. Okay, dormir al aire libre and under the stars. Cook or camp your own food. Of course, cook your own food. Learn how to fish or learn how to find in lakes and rivers. Of course, fish. No, fish. Remember, fish means pescar. And climb or climb trees. Climb or climb. Of course, climb. Remember, I told you it was climb, trepar o escalar. We teach you to hike or chop woods. Chop, no picar, cortar. Chop woods and build or sleep in a fire. Sleep fire, build a fire. Fuego, no. In this case, fire is fogata. Hacer una fogata. Call us at 303-450-8620 today. Okay, now you have the activity already done. If you couldn't do it at the first, you can repeat the audio and you can complete the activity. And you can get ready. Number 4. Mark phrases with the verb in activity 1 and the words below. For example, fires, animals, food, fruit, in a river, in a tent, trees, or wood. Okay, so what's the idea? To match the verbs with the phrases. Fires. For example, here is one. Build a fire. Yeah, teacher says a fire, and here says fires. Okay, singular and plural. Okay, number 1. Build fires. Animals. Animals. What about animals? Hike, build, camp, chop, climb. Find animals. Very good. What about food? Very easy. Cook food. Okay, cook food. Fruits. What about fruit? Find fruit. Find animals, find fruit. What about in a river? Of course, fish in a river. Okay, fish in a river. In a tent. In a tent. Camp in a tent. It's a possibility. What else? For example, here we saw sleep, no? Sleep outdoors under the stars. Sleep in tents, another possibility. Trees. Climb trees. Chop trees, no? Here, chop. Chop wood and build a fire and chop wood. Chop trees could be a possibility. Wood. Chop wood. Find wood. Yeah, here there are many answers. So in this part I try to do what I see at the beginning, but you can get many other possibilities. Okay, use your imagination so that you can create new words. Okay, this is our first video. Now I'm going to stop and record a second one. Thank you.